I'm in a HUD housing unit, so anytime something is paid, I have to report that, and then my rent changes. So my rent is based on my income. Child support is counted as a part of my income. Like when I get child support, they consider that making more money, so I have to pay more in rent.
Time set for front of the court show cause hearing with regard to child support.
Motion order show cause was served on Mr. Soper June 5th, 2023. And the most recent order regarding child support is the party's original order for custody support and parenting time entered in December of 2018. That requires $352 a month in child support and medical support. The most recent payments made were in April of 2023. $333 was paid in April. The overall history, there have been multiple bench warrants issued on this case, and there have been periods of income withholding order where we've had active payments, and also many periods of no payment at all. There remains an outstanding balance of $7,555.11. Of that amount, $6,519.28 is owed to Ms. Schulten. The remainder in costs associated to the issuance of bench warrants, as well as fees and medical support to the state. I can pull the payment history up for the court's review.
All right, so Mr. Soper, what's been going on?
Well, I had a steady job going for a good while. I was working out of town. It wasn't working out. It just wasn't for me, I suppose. I left that company, went into another company, and then that fell through. Relationship went, my truck got repoed. That's why I haven't been able to pay anything except for we paid $80 2 days ago, yesterday. I gave $80. I've been working with a friend of the family. He's giving me money for child support, and we're putting money aside for a vehicle so I can get steady work. But until then, I'm doing what I can with him for what little bit I can give to front of the court and to Tara.
How did we get to $7,000 though?
It's been a little bit since I paid, other than just yesterday.
Ms. Schulten, anything you'd like to say or add?
The only thing is that I'm in a HUD housing unit. So anytime something is paid, I have to report that, and then my rent changes. So it's hard to keep up on bills because when it's paid, I pay more, and when it's not, I got to get that switched. So that makes it a little difficult.
You're going to have to help me understand that.
Okay, so my rent is based on my income. Child support is counted as a part of my income. So whatever I make, like when I get child support, they consider that making more money. So I have to pay more in rent for the times that it's paid. And then when it's not paid, I have to wait for them to lower my rent back down to like what it would be for just my income for work.
You want the child support, right? I mean, it's helpful to have that money. You're wanting it consistently so that you're not going up and down. Is that
right? Right.
Gotcha. Well, here's the thing, and I appreciate you paying $80, sir, recently. But we got to get steady payments, and I'm not sure that a couple months here of no work gets us to 7,000. That's why I'm concerned. Okay.
I understand.
So we can take jail off the table. It sounds like you're trying to get work, trying to look at that, but
yes, sir.
I think you do have the ability to pay, and that we're not getting the money, and there's no manifest hardship here. Okay, so I'm going to put you on a payment plan, which comes with a contempt finding. So you need to pay what's owed. But I'll do $87 a month, but I'll do it a little bit lower. So that you can maybe get on your feet. Let's do $25 a month towards the arrears. I'm more concerned right now. Look, we don't want the arrears to balloon, but I'm more concerned, as Ms. Schulten is, with getting steady payments. So I don't want to make a payment plan that you can't do, but I think you can do that. All right. So you're going to have to find a way to do that.
Okay.
Because if you don't, that's a 2-year payment plan. If you don't pay as ordered, a bench warrant could be issued for your arrest, and you could have to serve up to 30 days in jail. With this amount, I'll just set bond at $500. That's only, so in other words, if you pay as ordered, you don't have any problems. But if we're getting the non-payments and things continue to spiral here, a bench warrant could be issued, and you won't be coming to court like this. You'll be arrested. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you both.